Exhibit A, cookie. Exhibit B, bird. Okay, you're waiting for it?
You got pretty blue eyes.
Okay, here you go.
Oh.
He likes the cookie.
Seagull? He's a good seagull.
He is a good seagull.
It's just a good seagull.
Okay.
Can I take your picture again? You like the picture? Take
Okay.
it.
More peanut butter cookie. More seagull bird. Good catch. Good boy. You're a happy camper. Are you ready to go seaworthy? Oh, that's right. You are a seabird, aren't you? Okay.
He looks like he wants to be pet.
One more.
You ate a lot of cookies, seagull.
Oops. Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Grace.
And we're California Travel Videos. And we are in California, United States.
Back in San Diego.
San Diego, here we are again. A different type of San Diego today, though. What's up for today?
Today we are going to see the harbor highlights, and then we're going to go do a tour and see what's available in the downtown, Old Town area, and maybe Balboa Park.
Sounds great. Our ship is right here, nearby. And there's a Star of India. That goes back. The 1863 Star of India is one of the last vessels that helped explore uncharted seas and to create the first global oceanic trade route. San Diego waterfront has been her home since 1923. On the trading routes. And what's this one?
I don't know, but it's beautiful. I know there's one down here I saw that looks like the Mayflower. I want to go check that out.
Okay, let's go check them out. Anchors aweigh, sailor boy, well, submariner, conning tower to hop in, and everything else is down below. A place to grind. 1847 to 1870. Members of the Mormon Battalion built a large adobe horse mill next to Casa. In 1847, locals thought it was the greatest feat that had ever been undertaken in these parts. At harvest time, loaded wagons and carts from nearby ranchos lined up to have their grains milled. But floods, droughts, and damaging earthquake took their toll on the mill, and by 1874, the building was gone. Wow, what a fabulous day. Grace, did you enjoy everything that we did today?
It was an absolutely wonderful day, exciting and full of fun and entertainment. We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have, and we don't even know what's... Oh wait, we do know what's next.
We do. We have something exciting for you. Shh! Don't tell anybody what's coming up, but look at this. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What do we have here? Tomorrow, Minniehaha will be in competition. Grace, you want to take that for a moment? And look at this. Underneath, our proprietary technology. Yeah, we can't give you any more details, but there is more to follow. So tomorrow we're going to be in competition at about 11 a.m. and keep fingers crossed. Hopefully we will in it to win it.
In it to win it, baby. And you know, worst case scenario is we will at least come in third place at the very worst.
Because there are only 3 contestants that we know of. So until then, happy trails to you.
Stay tuned.
Until we meet again. Bye.
AN002B, as in Bravo, are now called for the immigration inspection with the U.S. official.